to get out of handcuffs. First way, I'm just gonna put it on. Don't mind me. Know to put these on. One, and now the next one. And this is hard. I'm gonna do the hardest way that only a foot could do. This is the first one.
Daddy?
He's taking a video. I can't unlock this. I'm not going to show you the next way. That was the hardest way. So I'm going to do a medium, which is not hard. If you lose the key, that's the easiest. Do you see that I went all the way through? Oops. I think I got it stuck. Nope. Oops. I keep doing that. Sorry. Don't keep doing that. Now here's the second way. There. And you could also put it on your feet and your back on your hands. Huh? Oh. It works? So it works? Huh? I think, wait 1 second. I think this one doesn't work. And this actually doesn't work. Look,
Oh my God.
I'm clicking it back.
Yeah, because Leo, look. You have to pull it back, then take this off.
Okay. So it's the fourth way. Oh yeah. There's that. And now I'm going to show you 2 more ways. Let me show you one. Oops. It's still fine. So, and I put it too tight. Wait 1 second, so I have to put these on. Okay. So it helps. Now here's the easy way using the key. You find them, turn them, then